Okay, so I made this video like 2 years ago of me just pulling on these 3 wires being like, oh, I guess these do something. And I've gotten so many requests for extra help and explanation. I'm just going to make a new one. So these 3 wires go, these are grounding wires. Okay, so this goes on in front of the transmission. I think it's like an M12 bolt. These, if you look at this one goes to, I believe, the starter. And then this goes to a couple of other places. Thing is about Impalas is that the way that they're wired is you've got these three grounds, and this is what, I don't remember what they ground out to, but if any of these are loose, what happens is that it won't start, it won't click, it won't do anything. So what you have to do is you have to tighten those all up, make sure that it's good and it's clean and it's tight. This is still the same car years later. I sold it to a buddy and he has it, which is why I haven't made a video about it. But basically, once you got those wires tightened down, you're good to go. And if it's not starting, check all your grounds. There's a lot of different ones that go all over the frame of the car, but you know, you've got a couple of different ones, and make sure those are checked, and after that you should be good.